Hello world, Bradley from mycelllife.net, and for the year 2015 I'm gonna do a segment a lot of bloggers I see doing, so I guess I'll probably follow the trend and see how this goes. This is what's on my device 2015. Well, first thing I'm running is the Google Now launcher, which is my favorite launcher by far. I love the fact that I can just simply swipe and all my cards are right here. My Google Now is up to date and I get my cards, my sports scores. Everything is up to date, my sports scores, my news, my stocks. Here, look at my stocks. I can see my news, everything. The fact that it's right there. The weather, etc. This is what I like about the Google Now launcher. Other launchers are fine, but I like this launcher the most. What else is there? The widget I'm using right now is called XWidget. You can get it in the Play Store. It's called XWidget. And it's really cool, it's really nice. I had the Chronos launcher widget before, but this is a nice cool widget. You can get lots and lots of different kinds of widgets, different styles of widgets. You can get all that there, all kinds you can get. Also you can, I've downloaded a few myself. I have XWidget, I got a Motorola Droid Turbo, I got a hanging widget. This is one of my favorite widgets so far. I just discovered it recently, so it's really cool, it's really nice. Of course I got my standard Google apps, my Gmail, my Google Plus, my Play, Newstar, Play Games, my Drive, YouTube, etc. All Google apps which I use the most is there. One of Google apps which I really love is Google Keep, a nice note-taking feature, so I can take different notes, I can put different things in, I can write up different stuff there. I'm writing a little song there, Jesus is Lord. I can do different things, and it's accessible across all my devices, so I can do a shopping list with Google Keep, and just so I'm gonna reach in the store, I can open it up, etc. On my social feeds, I have Talon, which is my favorite Twitter app so far. I've heard of Phoenix and Falcon Pro, right? But this has not disappointed me. I paid for it. It wasn't free. I actually paid for it. It hasn't disappointed me. The default Twitter app, I like it. It tends to lag occasionally. It doesn't work as well as I would like it to work. Phoenix does a great job for me right there. I can always just press this, jump to the top. And on the side there, I got my nice slide out, hamburger style. And see the nice material design look here. I can also put this down and access my other Twitter accounts. I could have multiple Twitter accounts in this one app, just like majority of the apps. That's what they do. That's what one of the features they have. This is what I like also. And go slide to the right. Also, you get the mentions, direct messages, and also if you pull this out, you get interactions. Who tweeted you? Who retweeted you? Who favorited your status, etc. This is the thing I love. I got time. I have a WhatsApp is there. I have Pinterest. I love Pinterest. But I can just check out my different pictures, see different recipes, etc. This is one of my favorite apps, and every time I install a new Android device, I buy a new Android device, this is one of the apps I always tend to install. I just love Pinterest and everything it has. Instagram, LinkedIn, of course, Facebook. Got that. I got my email. I got my Play Store for quick access. I got my Google Now player, my Play Music, Google Play Music. I got my Bible. Must keep in contact with my God. Swarm for my check-ins, Foursquare, which is now Swarm 365. I'm running the beta version of 365. If you want to join that community, so we always join the Google Plus community, and that's the beta version, which is different from the normal one in the Play Store. It has a nice, cool, really nice interface. I really love it. You can see highlights, everything right there. It's really cool. It's really nice. You can see the videos are right here. It's a neat app. I love this. This is my favorite sports app. This is my favorite sports app. This beta version, which is great, fantastic. I love that about it. It's excellent. What else is there? I have my digital app where I can always check out, update my balance, top up. I can always get data, buy my data plan for a week, a day, a month, etc. So it's really cool, really fantastic. If you go into it, kind of see, I can check my balance, I can map plans, I can send credit for somebody, I can top up. This is social, I can see what's new, etc. So it's a cool app. Also, right down, I got my calendar widget. Since it's lollipop, so you got a nice material design calendar. I got my games I like playing the most. I got Marvel Champions, Major Mayhem, Minion Rush, and Riptide GP2. And of course, I got my Aeropost app, which is my shipping app. Most things I order on Amazon or Walmart, if I order in the States, this is where it goes to my warehouse in Miami, and then it comes down here to home. So this is the app I use the most. And what else do I have here? Well, it came with the default camera, that's Moto camera. I downloaded the Google Now camera. I downloaded the Google camera. I keep saying Google Now. I guess the Google Now launcher is in me. I have the Google camera, Chrome, like I said, Chronos. I have Tripler, which kind of keeps me up to date with my daily drip. So everything Android, everything new apps, etc. When I find that quick way, it keeps me up to date with my news, etc. Which is great. It's fantastic. My drive, I must have Google Drive, my Google Fitness app, where I can track my steps. I can track my everything. I almost missed my goal today. I was just 2 minutes away from it. So, what else do I have on here? Google Plus, like I said, Instagram, Keep, LinkedIn. Get a nice folio messenger, which is cool, which is fantastic. You can like Facebook Messenger, which I find is this one is a lot lighter in my opinion. It's not as heavily weighed down as that. I got OneDrive to back up my photos. I got Google Plus. My photos are backed up on Google Plus, but I also have it on OneDrive, and I also have Dropbox. Just to keep multiple data in case one crash, I got it somewhere else. I got Zedge, I got Wallet, my Google Wallet. I can always pay for my apps in the Play Store. And of course we have Zedge, which is, you got my wallpapers, I get ringtones, some crazy ringtones, which I like, even for my message tones, etc. So it's nice and cool. I can have notifications. So that's a cool little feature. I can always download my little notifications, little messages, tones, just to keep it funny, just to keep it active, just to sound different from everybody else's default tone. So that's basically it. This is what I have on my device, my Android device, my favorite apps, my current apps right now for 2015. So until next time, world, Bradley from mycelllive.net. I'm out.